Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with a small tutorial on modeling a railway prop over here. That's a transportation prop. Let's get started. So let's go into rendering, view image file, and let's take this reference over here. So that's a transportation prop. We are going to model this in 3dsmax application. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is like, let's take a plane. So we'll start with this. So let's take a box over here. So let's just resize this over here in this way, and let's convert to editable poly. After that, let's go into this modeling. Let's take one swift loop over here. Let's go to the polygons over here, and slightly we'll be just pushing it out over here. So let's just select that, give a color to it, select this, slightly push this up, and let's give one loop over here and select this, slightly shift this inside like this over here. After that, slightly push this up, drag it down, and let's copy this. So before we copy it, what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be just assigning some loops over here. So 2 loops over here, 2 loops over here, 2 loops over here. Select this, slightly push this up, and shift and duplicate it over here, and let's just attach this. So select this both, and let's give bridge over here. Select this and this, give this bridge, select this and this, give this bridge over here. So once you have assigned this bridge over here, so slightly we can push this down, push this up, push this a bit up over here in this way. So again I'll be assigning one swift loop over here, and select this polygon, and let's give a bridge option over here. So after you have assigned this bridge over here, we'll be selecting this part, and let's slightly bevel it, drag it down, go into the vertices, so slightly we'll push it further. Again I will use one swift loop over here and here, select this, and we'll drag it in this way. After that, I'll again go to the top view over here. So I'll go to the polygons, and slightly I'll bevel it, very less, not much, a bit, and click OK. So once you've beveled this stuff over here, let's go to the top view, let's go into the spline, and let's take a line over here, let's take a line, slightly drag it, push it a bit inside, select this, and let's give a bit of fillet. Oops. It's better you go with this rectangle, that would be much better. Convert to editable spline, select this, delete it, select the vertices, and let's give fillet. So after you have given a fillet over here, so let's go into this rendering, enable in viewport, and make it as a rectangle. So slightly drag it inside, slightly drag it inside, and also we'll be reducing this part stuff over here. So if you want, I can just put something over here which will definitely connect it. So we'll go over here, again take a line over here and just duplicate that. Let's go to the top view over here. Let's again take a line over here, shift and drag, duplicate it. So let's go into this and set this as 90 degree, shift and rotate it, drag it over here, and let's make a copy of it. So let's select this all and slightly just push it up. If you want, you can slightly scale that also, not a problem. So we have this and this, so we'll slightly push this out. So select this whole thing and let's give a color. Let's go into this side view over here and let's take, you can take this cylinder over here, or else you can just take a tube over here. So let's take a tube over here and let's just place this over here in this way. So after taking a tube over here, I can increase its height and reduce the height segments, convert to editable poly, select the edges, and let's give a bit of chamfer to it and click OK to it. So let's go into this, select this, so we are leaving this 4 parts. That's it, perfect. So I'll go into this and slightly I'll give a bit of inset and I'll extrude it. That's it. so we can delete that. Control and backspace, I'll remove that. So select the vertices, right click and let's give weld. So go on welding this all over here. So just go on welding it. So let's select this, right click and let's cap it. So that's how you can just create this. Let's go into this. Select this polygon over here and this polygon. Let's give a bit of bevel. Click OK. Select this. So before we go over here, I'll just mirror it, copy it in x-axis, and I'll slightly place this over here. So we'll attach it first. So select the polygons and let's give a bridge option. That's it. That's how you create this stuff over here. So now let's go over here. So let's again take a line tool over here. So off this enable in viewport, so let's go into this, select the vertices, slightly push it down and enable in viewport. That's it. So push it inside, shift and select, make a copy of it. So let's just give a color to it. So select this and this, convert to editable poly, select its polygons and slightly extrude that out. Select this polygons and extrude that out. Not that much, a bit. So as you see over here, we have completed this modeling section of this. So you can just group this and click OK. That's it. That's it. So I'll slightly push this down, and if you want you can just rotate it and keep it. That's it. So save your file. So thanks for watching this tutorial.